Grab one.
Yes. Oh.
And then when you come back, I'll take mine.
That's crazy. Don't mess it up. Oh. Dude, that's some true talent right there. Look at him dumping that popcorn. Thank you.
Thank you. I don't want to scare you, but I think this is more proof that the robots might be coming for us. This is a new humanoid robot which has just been developed in China, and it features the extraordinary ability of changing its own battery. It can sense when its power is running low and will schedule tasks based on how much power it has left. All this basically means this robot can run autonomously 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I really hope there's an off button somewhere it can't reach.
Do you know robots like this? Here in China, robots are already in use like this by people working, just like fiction movie. But sometimes they make hilariously clumsy mistakes. Do you want that?
Here's 4 jobs which China have already replaced with AI robots, which we saw on our recent trip to China. Firstly, when we ordered room service in the hotel where we were staying, they had replaced some hotel workers with room service robots, which picks up the food from the kitchen. It takes the elevator by itself by choosing the floor number and delivers the food to your hotel room. Secondly, when we visited a Chinese car showroom, they've replaced drivers as Chinese cars now come with this, the latest AI LiDAR tech, which is built in for full autonomous driving. This AI system also self-parked our car with no driver at the wheel. In fact, there's our driver watching her car reverse into the parking space with accuracy. And even unlocking the car is AI powered. I just made a fist near the door handle and it opened. Inside the cars you have reclining massage chairs and a full dashboard of screens, where we watched a movie on the way to the hotel. And while the world waits for Tesla and Elon Musk, China's already there. Thirdly, China have replaced baristas with coffee shops now using AI robots to make and serve you your coffee with no humans in sight. And finally, at number 4, Chinese AI robots are now plastering, painting and tiling walls with precision. Could this be the beginning of the end for tradespeople?
Hey, Optimus. Separately? Sure. Who's paying for the first one?
Oh, thank you.
Where are you guys from? Australia. Sorry? Oh, Ukraine. I was like, you guys' accent still sound Australian.
Thanks, Optimus.
Get it, buddy. Go. Say thank you.
拍照，你跟他说呀，跟他说拍照。看我。我又走了。
闪开！
physician friends are worried because the AI can now read the X-ray images to an accuracy of 98%. That's really high. So if it can read with 98% accuracy, then there's a very big threat to the profession. Imagine going to medical school and studying 10 years, going into medical school debt, and then being ousted by AI. That's not just going to happen to radiologists, but that can happen to any profession. As AI increases in capability, human capability will be relatively diminished.